Why is 2 to the power of 31, 32 not 0? My problem is that does not return 0, but returns array 2147483648, dtype equals uint32 instead. The same is true for. So I believe this is simply how is implemented. Interestingly, all these alternatives seem to work as expected, returning some kind of 0. In particular, what is different between numpy arrays representing 2147483648 and 2147483648? I have seen this issue in JavaScript. Why does 32 not result in 0 in JavaScript and C++? Weird behavior of right shift operator. 1. 32. Why isn't 32 not always 0, but not yet in Python and numpy? In fact, neither Python nor numpy docs seem to be documenting this behavior. This URL.
While not documented, numpy is mostly implemented in C, and the shift operator in C and C++ is not defined for shifts greater than or equal to the number of bits. So the result can be arbitrary. If you look at the types of the examples that work, you'll see why they work. int60 for the first uses Python's own int type, while the others are all converted to numpy. int64, where the behavior for a 32-bit shift is correct, is mostly due to the fact that scalar, zero-dimensional, arrays behave differently. And in the list case that the default integer type for numpy is not numpy.uint32, on the other hand. uint32. So you run into the undefined behavior here.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.